Hi everyone, and welcome to Let's Talk Tech. Today we'll be taking a look at Cypress Resume, an easy-to-use service that can help you create a professional-looking resume in 3 simple steps. During today's session, we'll go through all the steps as I make an example resume. Let's begin by going to the Meaford Public Library website. Here, we can click on the Online Resources tab at the top. Scroll down until you see where it says Learn, and then click on the blue text. Next, we can just scroll down to Cypress Resume. Click on the blue text to open the web page. Here you can enter your library card number, so that will be all the digits on the back of your card. As you can see, it takes 3 steps where you fill out all your information. Then, Cypress Resume will format the information into a professional quality resume. Let's begin by clicking Go under Create Your Resume. Now we can choose which style of resume we would prefer, strictly business or the editor's choice. I'll select editor's choice. Now we've begun step 1. Here we can enter all our personal information. Fields with the red asterisk next to them are required, while the rest of the fields are optional. For the required information, I'll just set the first and last name as the library name and give the library phone number. Under optional information, I'll also add the library's email address, as well as the location. In the next section, you can enter all your employment information. If you are currently employed, you can check this box and it will remove the month and year you left categories. As you scroll, you can see there are more boxes available for you to fill out if you have any other previous employment history that you would like listed. If you have even more work history, you can hit this blue text at the bottom to add more work history fields. In the next section, you can enter your educational history. This is optional, so you are able to leave it blank. The next section is where you can list your certificates, certifications, and training. Just enter the name of each, the name of the certifying organization, and the year you received it. Now we're on to step 2. Here you can search for the type of job you are looking for, and it will tailor your resume to your desired job. Just type the name of your desired job in the search bar. We'll look up library assistant. Here it lists 3 different types of library assistant jobs. You can read the different descriptions and find exactly the type of job you're looking for. If none of these job descriptions were quite what you were looking for, you can search again by clicking here. Let's choose library technician. Now we're on to step 3. Here we can select different profile statements for our resume. Read them and find the ones that suit your personal skill set. You can also edit a statement by pressing this Edit button. To use a statement, click the Use box on the statement. Let's just select the first 9 statements for this example resume. For the 10th one, let's create our own statement. Just click this box here that says Add Custom Statement. In this box, I'll type my statement. Then click Use to add it to the resume. The next section you can list tools and software you're proficient in. You can once again click this button to add custom items. I'll add our library search engine Koha, then I'll add our interlibrary search engine BDX. The next section are your skills and abilities. On the left of each skill and ability is a drop-down box. Here, you can also add the adjectives good, excellent, or outstanding if you want. You can also leave it blank, so it will not add an adjective before the skill. Let's set most of them to excellent. We'll also set one to the adjective good, another to outstanding, and leave one blank, just so we can see what it looks like on the resume. You can also click this box to add custom skills. Click Next, and we're done. Let's take a look at the results. To do that, we'll download the resume by clicking this drop-down menu and selecting PDF. It will then download onto your computer in PDF format. And there we go, we have our very own resume. Cypress Resume quickly and easily takes all the information you enter and formats it into a professional resume. Under Skills and Abilities, we can see that it has added the adjectives under the ones we wanted and didn't add an adjective under the one we left blank. If you need to make changes, you can just click this Edit button and change your information where needed. Back at Doc Manager, we can see the resume we just created, and on the bottom left is the option to create another resume, a cover letter, or a references document. Let's create a cover letter. Here we can select if the position we're making a cover letter for is the same as the resume. It automatically generates a cover letter. We can also make any changes by clicking this Edit button. We'll click the Use box to use it, and then click Next. Let's view the cover letter. And there we go, now we have a complete cover letter. You can also save your documents by clicking Save. Then you will be asked to make an account. If you do not make an account, your documents will not be saved when you exit the browser. As you can see, Cypress Resume is a great resource for creating the necessary documents you require for a job application. It's easy to use and completely free with your library card. Feel free to contact the library if you have any more questions on how to access Cypress Resume, and I hope you have a great week.